Welcome to a home built for comfort and connection, where the kitchen sits at the heart, offering ample storage, beautiful views, and inviting chairs made for lingering conversations. The interior design and decor of this house by Bunny Williams centers on a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere rooted in Southern charm and thoughtful functionality. Designed the home with an understanding of local lifestyle, using materials and colors inspired by the region, such as an antique Persian rug with a red clay background in the entrance hall to reflect Virginia's earthy soil. The home's layout prioritizes livability, with the kitchen at the heart, featuring ample storage, beautiful views, and comfortable upholstered chairs that invite lingering conversations. Throughout the house, Williams uses a neutral foundation with soft, tonal variations and subtle pops of color, such as oranges and mustards in the living room or pale blue in the master bedroom. The design balances textures and finishes, like natural plaster walls, Moroccan rugs, and Virginia pine wood paneling, to add warmth and depth without overwhelming the space. Rather than oversaturating rooms with color, Williams incorporates flexible accents that can be changed over time. Personal collections are displayed with intention, mixing styles and time periods to create layered interest. For example, A gallery wall integrates a TV among garden images and clocks to reduce visual dominance. The library, wrapped in wood paneling, offers a cozy retreat with a big screen for nighttime use. Window treatments are kept minimal to preserve light and views, only added where necessary for comfort and privacy. Upstairs, Williams designed a casual living space connecting the bedrooms, envisioning it as a retreat for children or guests. Each bedroom includes practical essentials like desks, benches, and mirrors. Design details, such as a fabric crown in the girls' room or hand-blocked quilts, bring personality without sacrificing utility. The entire home avoids a decorated look by blending furnishings from different periods and styles. This mix ensures each room feels lived in and evolved over time, rather than staged or formulaic. The result is a home that prioritizes comfort, ease, and visual richness, making it feel both timeless and uniquely personal.